Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about remuneration to partners. In this topic we will cover partners remuneration and interest paid to partners. Section 40B of Income Tax Act determines the maximum amount of remuneration and interest on capital payable to a partner. The amount over the specified limit is not allowed as a deduction to a partnership firm. Remuneration includes salary, bonus, and commission. Remuneration in partnership firm is allowed as a deduction if some conditions are satisfied. We can look what are the conditions. Remuneration should be paid only to working partners. Remuneration must be authorized by partnership deed and according to the terms of partnership deed. Also, the amount of salary and its computation is to be mentioned in the deed. If there is not any such provision in deed, then no deduction is allowed. It should be related to the period of the partnership deed. Remuneration should be within the permissible limits. If book profit is negative, maximum can claim up to rupees 1,50,000. If book profit is positive, then first 3 lakh can claim up to 90% of book profit and balance book profit can claim 60%. Next we can check the taxability. Remuneration which is allowed as expenses in the hands of partnership firm will be taxable in the hands of receiving partner as income from business or profession. If such remuneration is not allowed as expense in hands of partnership firm, then it will not be taxable in the hands of partners. Next, interest on partners' capital. Deduction of interest also some conditions must be satisfied. Payment of interest can be made to working or non-working partner. Payment of interest must be authorized by the partnership deed. It should be related to the period of the partnership deed. The rate of interest should not exceed 12%. Amount of interest paid in respect of capital borrowed must be for the purpose of the business or profession. So these are the points we want to take care for the purpose of calculating remuneration and interest to partners. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.